Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in to my next video. Just gonna quickly show you how you can watch the channels on the Amazon Fire Stick. So from this home screen, if you just scroll down to this code here and click OK, and you come to your favorite screen. If you're not at the favorite screen, you can just press left or right on the remote and scroll through all the options, and you will soon come to back to favorites. And if you just click OK and just select one of these categories, let's say Swift Streams. Okay, you got countries on this one, so you can select your channels according to your country. BT Sports, Sky Sports, everything is always under Sports TV, and that's for every category. UK TV, these would mainly be your Freeview channels, but then you do have things like Discovery Science, Discovery, what we do is just highlight one of the channels, click OK. Don't be alarmed if your stream shows failed or it doesn't play, because some of the channels, they play at one time, but sometimes they don't play at another time. Now if they don't play now, they'll probably play in a few hours time, so it's best to keep everything there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is this is a very good example now. I've selected a few channels and some of them have not played. Now this shows me that a whole category is probably down, which is Swift Streams. That's what we actually went into. Now, so what you want to do is, maybe if the whole category is down, Swift Streams, don't worry about it. That means maybe every channel inside that category will not work. Just go into a different one, LiveNet TV or something. There we go. And now from here again, all your BT Sports, Sky Sports would be in here, sports, entertainment or something. Just select one of the categories, and then as you can see, there are so many channels, quite a few channels in each category. There you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and play one now. This is sci-fi. Okay, now if you get this pop-up box here, that's a good sign, because you've got two. It's a very popular channel. That means it's got two servers. Now if this server does, if you select the top server and it doesn't work, you can select the bottom one. One out of the two is going to be working. In most cases both of them are going to be working, but because it's a popular channel, sometimes one doesn't work, then you can always select the second one. Sometimes there are 5 or 6 of them, and just select out of the list, and whichever one works is the one you can watch. And when you're watching a channel, what you can do is just to select another channel, you just click your back button on the remote once, and you will come back to that screen again. You can either select another channel, highlight, click OK, and another channel will play, and that's literally all there is to it, to be honest with. If one word over the voice would be, if you want to turn your television off, we would advise to just stop your stream, or just click your home button once, just like that, just to make sure your video is not running. Because what's going to happen is, if your video is running and you turn your TV off without going to the screen, and you leave your picture running and you just turn the TV power off, what's actually happening is the Fire Stick is still streaming and it's still consuming your internet data for your landline or whatever you connected to through Wi-Fi. And some companies have a fair usage policy of something like 30 gigabytes per month, and you don't want to exceed that in any case. So yeah, just press this home button and come to the screen and then turn your TV off, and that's all there is to it. And if there's any issues with that, scroll through some of our other videos. That should solve any issues you have. If not, then get in touch with me, and we'll try our best to help you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.